Hello guys, welcome to my channel. How are you doing today? I hope you are cool. I hope you're fine. In today's teaching, I'm going to show you how to do this beautiful cowl kaftan. As you can see from my own end, from my phone here. So the name of my channel is Fashion Star Gold. So if you don't know how to cut this trendy gown, just sit back and watch. I'm going to show you how to cut it step by step. Just watch. Let's get started. So the length of this cowl kaftan is 58 inches. See how lengthy, how long it is. So these are my tools. So it's at the end. So I want to take the length of it now. This is 58 inches. Then my slope, the shoulder slope is 1.5 inches. I'll connect it to the tip of this dress. So I want to take the measurement now. I'm taking the waist measurement. The waist measurement is 18 inches. Shoulder to waist is 18 inches. Shoulder to hip is 25 inches. Shoulder to knee is 40 inches. So that's the floor length. So I will then roll the line. That is the knee line. And this is the floor length. So now I'm going to my hip. Hip is 45 inches. 45 divided by 4 is 11.25. 11.25. So this 11.25. Plus 2 inches for the ease allowance and 1 inch for sewing allowance. That is 3 inches. That's 3 inches. This is 14.5 inches. So for the knee, I will bring down the measurement here. 14 inches here. For the floor length, I'll still measure the 14.5 inches. 14.5 here for the knee. 14.5 here. For the length, I'm making a straight line from the hip to the floor length. Here I'm going to add 2 inches allowance. For hemming, that's the hem allowance. Folding of the down. So let's measure the shoulder. The shoulder is 16 divided by 2. That is 8 inches. So we have 14 inches here left for the sleeve. I'm taking 8 inches. Taking 8 inches. Then I'll come in by 1 inch. Come in by 1 inch. Then I'll now slant. So I'm slanting it. As you can see, this is Ankara material. It's not as white as lace material. It's going to be V-neck. Please subscribe to my channel. Click on the notification button. Then you'll be notified anytime I post a new video. Thank you. So here, I'm taking 5 inches for the neck width. For the neck depth, I'm taking 7 inches. So I'm connecting it now. I want the back and the front to be the same. 7 inches, 7 inches. If you like, then let this cuff come down a little bit below the hip line. Can let it come down a little bit below the hip line, maybe like 4 inches. You can connect it this way. Size has to be a little bit coffee. Or you can use a bias to pipe it round. So I want to use a bias to it. So thank you so much for watching. Subscribe and click on the notification bell for you to be notified anytime I post a new video. Thank you so much. Subscription is free. You're not paying for it. This is the outcome of the kaftan cowl gown that I've sewn. So I hope you like it. Share it. Like my video. Subscribe to my channel. God bless you. I love you guys. Bye.